This is Dent. You know we got work to do. So they call that being in the hunt, right? As you see. Tires. You got it? Let go with it. Alright, well, tire a little dirty right now. So I see the struggle. The struggle is real, right?
It's called strategy.
I see it falling over. Strategy, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It don't matter. There you go right there.
Everybody most people don't want to be in the trenches like this, right?
Oh boy, it's a big old playground.
Yeah, I know. Hey, we got a trailer right here for sale too. If anybody want a trailer, it's got a trailer for sale. Now I'm just messing with you guys, man. Dent Tires and Dent, hey, Johnson Dent, we out.